Mynken Christian Hr Secondary School Bhoirymbong hakashupau tarik Risaw kala Pynlong daka Iew Die Ja Khluid Food Fest ban pynmih baiseng na bynta ban Tei Auditorium kabaki khynnah Skul jingdonkam haduh katta. Kane ke Skul kyrkieh Auditorium kaban ngiam palat sans ngut khynnah Skul na bynta jingdonkam babun jait hagi prokram Skul. Jingtrei kira sdang ban iaid shakhmat bat donkam ban baiseng ban pyndep jingtrei kane ke Auditorium. Lyngba ka Iew Die Ja Khluid Food Fest la khmi lenti ban yo baiseng na bynta kane ke jingtmu. Kane ke Iew Die Ja Khluid la play da director katanat pule puthi swapnil tembe IAS ha ka jingdonkam principal ba everlasting pengrob ki dekhot ke school managing committee kinong hikai bat ki khynnah Skul. Director kapule puthi ula ais ngobha de ki bot football bat jersey ki khynnah elek kai subruto cup jong kani ke Skul. Bat ula kitbok ka team football ban keu irat hakisap ki phong jongki khamtam haka jinglet pen inam yala ka jing tibet hanong ba Paris France haki benai banwan.
The details of work as open. What did you say? Wow. Okay. Right.
This side, bamboo is
This is cane, right, or bamboo?
It's a bamboo cane. It's about from bamboo, mostly from bamboo. Only here in Turkey.
For the ball, who sketched Ronaldo to
Wow, this is so very.
The big hand continues.
They are all from the state.
Who's the captain? Malang. Come. Let them
You
check
can
that one.
exchange later also.
Personal side, but I'll also tell Department of Sports whatever help is required, let me know, so that from the department side also will give and keep doing, and all the best for your visit to France, and we just remember that the state is proud of you, so keep shining. And to all the students, you should be proud that you are part of this wonderful school. You have a amazing principal who received national award also, and there are so many initiatives in the school which the state is proud of. Recently, additional secretary also, Government of India, he is very senior, he is 30 years senior IAS officer. He also commended and praised this school. So I'm very happy with the performance. When you are in school, give 100% attendance and 100% attention, to your teachers. Study well, and beyond study also, play sports, whatever you like, do more reading, get some skill, learn computers, and take this opportunity and learn, maximum use of this opportunity, because you are very lucky to study in this school, this kind of school, So make the most of this opportunity, make your parents proud, make your teachers proud, and make your principal proud. Thank you so much for inviting me to your event.
By the student, different craft or different arts and craft. So we have the stall there, so that we'll sell this art and craft, which are made by the students for raising fund for that purpose. We have also some different clothes items donated by well-wishers, relatives of the students, and also from the staff. And we have also some entertainment program like food fest and others for the whole day today till 3 p.m. To generate fund for that good cause, which we try to met all the requirement in our campus. Still we are lacking with the big hall or auditorium. So from the managing committee, we have taken initiative to start by our own with a very small foundation. So the size of it is 95 feet by 48. It's quite enough for 500 capacity. So we hope that may not be this year to complete, but maybe by 2025 we could be able to complete that, so that it may be used by some other organization like government meetings and others also of this area, because as of now, no hall or no auditorium is in our area, right from Umiam till border of Assam. So this is our initiative. So hopefully with the supporting maybe of the well-wishers, parents and others, we could be able to complete it with the meantime of our proposal. So sir, we have also this football team whom you have also give support to our team. I think you are very much happy with their performance. And to inform to all of you, sir had donated an amount of nearly 50,000 to purchase all the requirement of the sports items in our school, and also a gift to these players. So before we proceed with your speech, I think it's better that you will hand over the